Let's call Ronald McDonald, because I am loving it. What's up, guys? We're back here again on the 2013 4runner. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. It's been raining like crazy the last week, so I've been working inside. Haven't had a lot of time to get on this thing. But, as you can see, it's holding up. Didn't get all rusty or anything, sitting out, getting poured on, so should be good to go. Let's get into this thing. Okay, so here's what we got. We got a upper bumper support bracket. We got headlight / bumper support brackets. Original, new one. This one was really bent, but I was able to straighten it out pretty nice. Should work. We got a grill upper mounting bracket. We've got our core support / hood catch support, and bumper retainer bracket for the other headlight, and our headlight here. And I was hoping to get this, at least the underside of this hood, painted today. That way, I mean, today is supposed to be like the best, lowest chance of humidity. It's not that warm though. A couple days from now it's supposed to be like 15 degrees warmer, which would be nice. So I think I'm going to shoot for painting like the outside of the hood, main bumper cover, and our grill here. We can pull off some screws here, take off the little painted piece, and get that painted as well. Okay, we've got all these supports in. Things looking good. Horn, hood latch, grill bracket, the AC line. Figured out the way that's supposed to route. Got that on. I guess next, try and fit up these headlights. Hope that goes smoothly. That side fits like a dream. The bumper clip bracket back in, so the lower bolt goes through it, and this little guy here just kind of sits in that bracket. Couple bolts all look good. Now we just need to slam the hood and hope nothing dies. That is a thing of beauty. Awesome. On to the next side. Well, let's call Ronald McDonald, because I am loving it. Coming together pretty nicely. Last thing I'm going to test fit's just the little plastic shroud panel that goes across there. But everything else is looking pretty nice. I'm liking it. Looks like it should work nicely. So I'll fix that panel, pull the hood off, and start sanding probably the whole thing, so I can paint the underside maybe tonight, and then day after tomorrow I'll paint all the rest of the exterior pieces, we can reassemble this thing. Finally. Alright, well, we need to cut this side of the bumper off so we can have something for our color match. Use my angle grinder, get after it. These seat belts, pulled them out, and those seem locked up, and they definitely make some horrible noises. So I'm guessing this mechanism in here, it sounds like the ball inside is loose, rattling around or something, but does have a ABS charge on it, so it's probably no good. And just like that, $160 later, we got what we need. I did bring a test panel here, slapped a dot on it, and it looks mint. They out here making our streets nice and smooth. Just gotta sit in traffic. Well, we were hoping to use the old GoPro ski here with the head strap. Would have been awesome, but SD card doesn't want to work. So we got some 400 grit, and we're gonna get to work on this bad boy here. I washed it down, got my sandpaper, start scuffing the whole thing. Just gonna work around the edge into this inside lip because that's where the insulation goes, and then we will also tape off all these decals so we don't mess them up, and we can be ready to spray this thing in. Let it set up so tomorrow we can flip it over and get to the good stuff. Got that all cleaned, everything's taped up, and come on in the paint mixing station here, and we got everything all set up. This is what I wiped it down with, wax and grease remover. When we do the bumper cover, we'll use this adhesion promoter. But for this guy here, we just got our 2-to-1 paint, which we'll be using with the medium reducer. It's about 65 degrees out, so should do the trick. And we got the base down. It's looking good. Next up, some clear. What do you guys think? I think that is freaking awesome. We did it. All right, so that turned out great. Once we let this fully cure and dry, flip it back over, sand the top, get the bumper sanded, the grill piece, we can start assembly on this thing. Be done. Just like OE. Alright, it's the next day here. I'm excited to check out this hood. Hopefully it all turned out good, not like my last paint job that turned into a cloudy mess. So I'm going to pop open this garage door. Let's check it out. All right, got it out in the sun. It looks absolutely amazing. Nice and dry and smooth as can be. Did a really good job taping off all this stuff. Can't even tell. And who else remembers when they used to put the VIN number on each part? It's kind of silly. But it looks awesome. Super happy with how it turned out. Nice and smooth, even flake. Everything looks great. Super happy with it. Okay, that's going to be a wrap for today's video. I'd like to thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss out on anything. Really excited on how good the paint job turned out and how nice the match is. We'll get the top side of the hood and the bumper cover and this grill piece here painted next time. Get that all installed. If the seatbelts are back in time, we'll get those put back in. And remember, if you wreck them, rebuild them, or I will.